Early as fuck, I'm up before the sun. Coffee in my cup, charts loading one by one. Ain't no time to waste, got my system down. Trading's what I do, about to get this crown. Screens all lit up, candles red and green. This my morning shit, know just what I mean. Sipping slow and steady, while I check the trends. Mad focus now, this is how my day begins. Charts and coffee got me in my groove. This my daily move, yeah, I got something to prove. Charts and coffee got me feeling smooth. This my daily truth, yeah, I know just what to do. Fuck the formal trading, that ain't how I roll. Take my time analyzing, that's how I get gold. Coffee getting cold, but I'm locked right in. Watching patterns form, know just where to begin. This ain't rocket science, just my daily grind. Same shit, different day, but I'm doing fine. Got my setup perfect, got my mind just right. About to make these moves, gonna do this shit all night. Sipping and trading, trading and sipping. Got my momentum, ain't no way I'm slipping. Yeah. Numbers and patterns, patterns and flows. This is my rhythm, everybody knows. Charts and coffee got me in my groove. This my daily move, yeah, I got something to prove. Charts and coffee got me feeling smooth. This my daily truth, yeah, I know just what to do. Making money moves, Dale, this shit feel fun. Fucking getting cold, but I'm still in the zone. Making money move, yeah, this shit feels like home. Got plans, rising from the cup and waiting. Soft jazz piano begins. Fuck sleep, I got my morning mapped, while these other bitches still trapped in the naps. Quiet house, screens lit up bright. My setup perfect, everything's right. First sip hits, mind gets clear. Another day to fucking dominate here. Watch the numbers dance and slide, while my coffee keeps me certified. Charts and coffee started right, yeah. Focus tight, mind in flight, mind in flight. Charts and coffee make it flow, yeah. That's the rhythm that I know. Second cup, now I'm in the zone. All these patterns speaking in code. They don't know about this morning grind, being sharp when others fall behind. Fuck that FOMO, I stay composed. Years of practice, that's how it goes. Every move calculated clean. This ain't luck, you know what I mean. Early bird gets the fucking win. That's why I'm here where I've always been. Discipline hits different when it's dark. That's what sets the real one me. Early bird gets the fucking win. That's why I'm here where I've always been. Discipline hits different when it's dark. That's what sets the real ones apart. Their cup's cold, but I don't care. These indicators showing me where to place it perfect, time is sweet, while amateurs still catch disease. This game ain't for the weak or slow. Gotta be ready when it's time to go. Morning ritual got me trained. Others sleep while I maintain. Charts and coffee one more time, yeah. This rhythm's yours and this rhythm's mine, this rhythm's mine. Early hours hit me with a different kind of peace. While the world's still quiet, I find my release. Just me and these numbers dancing slow, building patterns in my mind as I go. Something special about this morning, and way before the day is time to care. And I keep asking myself as the minutes tick by, and I keep wondering why every morning feels so right. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing, leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? You asked me once why I rise before the sun. Said I'm chasing something that can't be outrun. It's not about the money or the gain, it's about finding clarity when things ain't the same. Each morning ritual brings me closer to truth. Like watching steam rise, I'm finding proof that patience builds more than just a perfect cup. It's teaching me when to hold, when to give up. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing, leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing with these thoughts alive? Sometimes I wish you could see this morning meditation with me, where everything makes sense before the world gets intense. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing, leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? What's brewing in me?
Catching out while the world's still asleep. First light hits my screen, I'm in my element. Fresh brew by my side, mind is confident. Reading these patterns like sheet music, feel the flow. Each candlestick painting stories as they go. Morning meditation with my market view. Catching waves of data, riding them with you. Some see just numbers, I hear the melody. Each trend line speaking rhythmically to me. Time signatures changing, support levels hold. Breaking down resistance as the day unfolds.
Charts and coffee, that's my harmony. Finding rhythms where others just see. Random moves and noise, but baby, can't you see? These patterns move like jazz, just trust in me. Moving like jazz, just trust in me.
Second cup hitting different minds, eye clear. Watch these price points dance, appear and reappear. Like a jazz musician, reading between the lines. Finding sweet spots where opportunity shines. Keep it cool and steady, no need to rush. Let the market breathe, feel that morning hush. Been studying patterns since you've been sleeping. Watching lines form art while knowledge I'm reaping. Strategy tight like a bebop groove. Calculated steps on when to make my move. Speed picks up, more intense delivery. Quick shifts coming, tempo changing fast. Gotta stay composed, make these moments last. Reading signals, catching every beat. Market symphony playing just for me. Mind state elevated, focus clean. This ain't just trading, this is art you're seeing. Charts and coffee, yeah, that's my harmony. Finding rhythms where others just see. Random moves and noise, but baby, can't you see? These patterns move like jazz, just trust in me. Moving like jazz, just trust in me. Want a ritual complete. Left my mark on these streets of green and red, but the rhythm stays in my head. Morning comes, I think of you first. Chart lines dance while my coffee bursts. Been at this game since day one, teaching me patience like you always done. Charts and coffee, that's our way, that's how we start the day. Got my screens lit, what you gonna say? Watch how the patterns play. Numbers flow like the brew in my cup. Some days down, but we keep looking up. You showed me how to read these signs. Now every morning feels like yours and mine. Remember what you taught me about staying cool. When markets get wild, I follow your rules. Charts and coffee, that's our way. That's how we start the day. Got my screens lit, what you gonna say? Watch how the patterns play. Just you, me, these morning routines. Building something real, building something real, what I mean.
I watch you rushing in the morning, trying to catch every move. But let me share something with you that'll help improve your groove. See, you're like fresh beans waiting to release what's locked inside. But patience makes the difference between success and a wild ride. Take it slow, watch it form. Just like steam rising up warm. Let it brew, just like your morning cup. Just like your morning cup. Take your time, watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up. Don't rush to drink it up. Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience at the top. You check your screens at sunrise, numbers dancing everywhere. But trading's like my coffee method, it needs time and tender care. Temperature's important, just like timing in the trade. Too hot and you'll get burned quick, too cold opportunities fade. Take it slow, watch it form, just like steam rising up warm. Let it brew, just like your morning cup. Just like your morning cup. Take your time, watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up. Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience at the top. I've seen too many burn out, trying to catch every wave, but the ones who last the longest know just when to stay away. So here's my morning lesson as I pour this cup for you. The market gives its gifts to those who know just what to do. Like coffee needs its moments for the flavors to extract. Your trades need proper timing before you plan to act. Let it brew, just like your morning cup. Just like your morning cup. Take your time, watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up. Don't rush to drink it up. Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience at the top. Just up before the rest of the block, nah, just me and my laptop. Tick-tock, haven't even brushed my teeth yet, but these charts ain't gonna read themselves, I bet. Watch the steam rise, study every line. Same way I read these charts all the time. Coffee in my system, mind getting clear. That's how we make these moves round here. That's how we do. Red candles flash on my screen while I'm sipping something mean. Used to play it fast and lose, now wait for confirmation, that's the truth. Got a system, got a plan, more trading like a rookie, understand. Numbers dancing, let's stay cool, cause panic selling's for a fool. Some days green, some days red, gotta keep a level head. Deep breath in, let it flow. This ain't no casino, yo. This is just not checkers, fam. Gotta think before you slam. Markets opening in 5. Feel my focus come alive. Charts tell stories if you know how to read between the highs and lows. Been at this since way back when. Now I'm teaching you, my friend. This ain't luck, this ain't chance. This is morning market dance. Watch the steam rise, study every line. Every single morning, we do this right. Coffee in my system, mind getting clear. It's the only way we move from here. Morning light creeps through my window pane. Before the world wakes, I'm in my domain. Steam rising slow like thoughts in my brain. Watching lines that move like waves of grain. Every morning's got its own sweet flow. Some days fast, but mostly moving slow. Learning how to read which way things go. Finding peace in what these mornings show. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear, that's what I see. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear, that's what I see. Fuck the noise, I'm focused on my path. Reading signals through the aftermath. Every line's a story that I grasp. Some shit falls, other things will last. Damn, I love these mornings by myself. Learning lessons money couldn't help. Every cup of wisdom brings me wealth. Beyond what's sitting on my shelf. Filtered through the static, find the flow that's magic. In the quiet hours, let it all unfold. Watch the truth get told. Patterns start to speak. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. In the quiet, when my mind is clear, that's what I see. That's what I see. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. In the quiet, when my mind is clear, that's what I see. La la la, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear. La la la, the quiet hours. First rays break through my window pane. Coffee drips slow like a gentle rain. Numbers dance across my screen. I remain in this space where focus meets the mundane. Every morning, same position, same station. Building blocks of daily meditation. Clear mind as I track each indication. Patient breathing, deep contemplation. In the rhythm of my morning flow, let it guide me. Every pattern helps me grow. As above, so down below. In a rhythm, watch it move, finding truth in every groove. Lines intersect, I'll watch them play. Reading signs that point the way. Years of practice taught me how to stay cool and steady through each display. My my fingers trace ascending paths while steam rises, making me laugh. This quiet hour holds its craft as wisdom flows through every draft. Each morning brings another chance to perfect this sacred dance. Some see chaos, I see design. Some feel rushed, I take my time. In these moments I refine every signal, every sign. Beyond the surface lies the art of knowing when to stop and start. Each cup of wisdom sets apart the discipline that fills my heart. Early hours hold the key to everything I need to see. In this space, I'm truly free to let the knowledge flow through me. In the rhythm of my morning flow, let it guide me. Every pattern helps me grow. As above, so down below. In the rhythm, watch it move, finding truth in every groove. First cup steaming beside my screen. Charts and candles know what I mean. Trying to show you how I move. When markets open, got nothing to prove. Markets calling my name. Trading ain't just a game. Watch and learn, babe, watch and learn. Charts and coffee, that's my vibe. Teaching you how to survive. Morning routine, let me show you mine. Building wealth one trade at a time. Woke up early, check the trends. Send your signals, watch you win. Ain't no sleeping when Asia trades. Got my system, got it made. Keep it cool, stay in the zone. Analysis on my phone. Trading life, it's all I know. Watch these profits start.
Listen up, I'ma break it down for you straight. Look, charts telling stories while others hesitate. RSI crossing NACDs looking clean. Building strategies like you ain't never seen. Resistance levels got me feeling so alive. Support zones when my orders through sleep. Now I'm teaching you to swim in the deep. Trading wisdom, dropping knowledge every day. Show you how to read the markets display. No FOMO moves, we stay calculated. Success comes to those who waited.
Take notes while I demonstrate. Perfect entries, never too late. Watch how I navigate. Charts and coffee, that's my vibe. Teaching First light breaking through my window, cup in hand, just me and morning slow dance. Watching steam curl up towards the ceiling, each breath measured, each moment revealing. Early peace before the world starts spinning, just us here, no need for pretending. Screen comes alive with gentle blue light, your patterns speak to me, morning feels right. Time suspended in the sacred space, just learning your rhythms, finding my place. Steam rising from my cup, while these charts are lighting up, finding clarity in numbers, while the morning's waking up. Watching patterns flow, 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 flow with the morning. Ooh, letting wisdom grow, 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 grow with the learning. Each candlestick painting stories clear, teaching lessons if you know how to hear. Red and green dancing on my screen, speaking truths about what might have been. Patient moments turn to understanding, while my coffee cools, wisdom expanding. You show me past the peaks and valleys to reaching, surely teaching discipline through each rally. In these quiet hours we share our dance, numbers flowing, giving life its chance. Steam rising from my cup, while these charts are lighting up, finding clarity in numbers, while the morning's waking up. Let it flow, let it breathe, morning wisdom sitting free. Let it rise, let it be, finding peace in what I see. Early morning stillness, just you and me. Coffee pot brewing, charts on my screen. Every ripple in my cup shows me something new. Just like market trends, they're giving me a clue. Watch it rise and fall, both seeming lines. Morning meditation sharpening my mind. I can read these patterns like they're speaking clear, teaching me the rhythm of the day that's near. Every line tells a story, tells a story. Every trend holds a truth, holds a truth. Sip and study slowly, study slowly. That's what I gotta do, that's what I gotta do. Numbers dance before me in the morning light, while my coffee cools, I'm reading signs just right. Some days flow easy, some test my grace, but I keep my focus, set my own pace. Measure movements, calculated plays, learning from each pattern as the market sways. In this quiet moment, everything aligns. Peace in my cup, clarity in my signs. Ba-da-ba-dum, watch it flow. Da-dum, let me know. Sha-la-la, see it grow. Oh, 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 now you know. Every line tells a story, tells a story. Every trend holds a truth, holds a truth. Sip and study slowly, study slowly. That's what I gotta do. That's what I gotta do. Morning wisdom brewing, charts and coffee flowing. Patterns keep on moving. That's the way we'll go. That's the way, that's the way we're going.
Early bird energy, just me and these lines. Numbers keep flowing, yeah, time after time. Steam from my cup like the thoughts in my mind. Quiet spaces where patterns align. Got that morning mindset locked and loaded. Screens lit up before the sun's posted. Brainwaves wavy, but I stay focused. This is how the day gets coded. Sipping slow, watching close, mind in the zone, that's how it goes. That's just how. Every move calculated and bold. Building my vibe as the day unfolds. Breakfast with data, yeah, that's how I feast. Analytics hit different when streets still asleep. Got my system down pat, no need to compete. Just me and these numbers in perfect repeat. Morning ritual, got me centered and clean. Filter my thoughts like it's fresh caffeine. Stack my odds before others' routine. This quiet grind about to make me beam. Sipping slow, watching close, mind in the zone, that's how it goes. That's just how, that's just how. Every move calculated and bold. Building my vibe as the day unfolds. Early morning, steady flowing, clear mind knowing, growing. First light hit different now. Found my rhythm, found my style. Morning moves, that's my profile.
I saw you trade, raw talent unafraid, but clicking without a plan. Need to help you understand. Watch and wait, calculate, time to elevate. Learn, trade, win, break it down and start again. Trade, win, make your move and then see sink and fade, getting stronger day by day, making moves the right way. Learn, trade, win, break it down inside. Learn, trade, win, make your move and then in the quiet spaces between each decision that you make, feel the pulse beneath the screen. Every choice, every stake. Now I see you've changed, mind and skills arranged, trading with the flow, everything you know, ready for the show. Your journey begin. Rising higher, higher, higher. Digital warrior, higher. In sync with the rhythm inside, every plan sand dissolves into pure light, rising higher than before, breaking through what holds me down. Feel the pulse beneath my feet, let it lift me from the ground.
Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Discord. Is this echoing? Maybe not. Hopefully not. Everybody can hear me good on YouTube or no? I guess not. Good morning, Rumble. I don't know. Rumble should be working. Yeah, no, I don't get it. That's I dropped the screenshot from my OBS. That's my start. I guess I'm going to stop it. I don't get it. I guess I'm just going to end it and stop it, and we'll do no Rumble today, I guess, because it should be working. It claims it's working on my side, but I'm going to stop it so it doesn't take any more resources, I guess, if it's not working. So it is shut down now. But I guess it wasn't up in the first place, but there. There we are. Music's okay. Hopefully, guys, I can't really hear the audio. I can't really hear the audio like I should be able to. I'll be honest with you. My audio is not, because I'm using all browsers now, so everything is definitely out of whack for me today. Werner, are you here? I don't know if he's here or not, but I'm gonna need your help because I messed up this morning bad, sadly. Maybe he's not here currently. Anyway, good morning, guys. Happy Friday. I'm gonna spend all weekend trying to fix everything that I broke today.
I don't see
How
her
is
return to weekly.
Say what, Paul?
I was saying I don't see her return to weekly open today. She seems very
No. Yeah, don't look like we're going back to weekly open today. I am agreeing with you. I mean, I guess we should never say never, but I agree with you. I don't think she's going back to weekly open. I do not.
And the Dixie is starting to dump down now to 97.8 from yesterday's high of 98. So she's making a move down. Is there news?
There was news at 8:30. I don't know if there's more news or not. That one I'm not 100% sure of. I don't know. I have not checked. I've been really bad about all this stuff, I'll be honest with you. It sounds fine, Garbarian King, on YouTube or no? Said nope. I don't know if that means it sounded good or there wasn't an echo. I asked 2 questions, sadly, which I should have never done. I should have asked one and let you... Yep. Yeah, that's perfect too. Thank you. Yep. I asked 2 questions again. Sounds good, hopefully is what you... Okay, beautiful. Thank you, man. Oh, what a day. No Rumble. Hopefully the guys from Rumble will come over there.
Seen the algo run nicely last night.
Yeah. I took a 4 o'clock. I think it was 4 o'clock. The first one I didn't. Were you? I don't know if you were in the thing, but I don't know what happened. But anyway, I missed the first one. Yeah, you were here. Yeah. I missed the first one. How did I do it? You tell me. Yes, I know how I did it actually. If you ever use mobile Ninja, Paul, it's funny. The day before, I have more problems with just making things work that easily you should be able to get work. But anyway, the day before I had the problem with the internet. Remember, the internet didn't work. Well, when I had a problem with the internet, what I did was I logged out of NinjaTrader. Okay. Well, on the mobile device, how it works is you go into NinjaTrader, you just push it, and then there's a thumbprint to sign in. So you just put your thumb on the mobile device, it signs you in, and you're ready to rock and roll. Everything's quick, fast. So I know if I get there at 47 after, I can get in a NinjaTrader, open the other phone with TradingView, and I'm ready to rock and roll. However, the day before, when I was in the Publix parking lot and I told you the internet wouldn't work, what I tried to do was log out thinking that was the issue, and I found out that that wasn't the issue, that it wasn't, there was no, the internet wasn't good. It wasn't fast enough to keep up. So when I logged out, well, once you log out, apparently, I found out yesterday, you can't use your thumbprint anymore. You have to actually log in with your password. Well, the thing is, I've got my password just saved in a Discord server, which again, isn't the biggest problem in the world. However, you can't copy and paste it onto the mobile app. So you can't just copy it and then drag it over the mobile app. You actually have to input it character at a time. And it's a good size password. for that account. So here I am trying to input the, no, I should not take credit for this. Wifey is trying to input this password in there to try to get it open by 3:50, and it just didn't get open quick enough. So by the time we got it, it was just after the algo moved. By the time it signed in, I was like, you have got to be kidding me. So that's why I was able to call the second one, but not the first one. Just, I'm telling you, I swear that the universe says, you know what? We're just going to make everything just a wee bit, uncomfortable for you and a little bit, little bit tough. Just a little bit tough, I guess.
Yeah, feels they got some things.
Yeah, I'm not going to say it's horrible, you know what I mean? I never like to say, oh, well, I'm just having horrible, rotten luck. I never like to say things like that because I feel like then you bring that on yourself, and it's really not the case. It's just, everything's just a little bit complicated. Everything's just a little more complicated than it should be, it seems, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right, gold recovered that wick with no bottom wick, and now we are gonna go test yesterday's highs, it looks like. So let's see what we can do here, guys. Through everything else, at least maybe, hopefully we can maybe get a trade. I mean, that'd be nice after all this, I think.
Already on the long.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Hopefully it pushes through, because the shorts will come in, you already know, up here. Hopefully it pushes right through them. Werner, are you here yet? I hate to just keep on hollering for you, but I'm really confused about how he had that set up. I can't believe I deleted it. I didn't try to. I tried to uninstall Discord. It uninstalled the Discord that he helped me set up. Very nice, Paul. There is no, there it is. Exactly what we just said. Beautiful. There is no chat coming through from Discord to YouTube, guys, because the Discord is now on the browser. So I don't know how to make the chat come over. I accidentally uninstalled the wrong Discord app from the computer. I've got them both uninstalled now, but I uninstalled the wrong one as well, so I can't make the chat come through. But on the positive note, I do have my screen working over in Discord, and so far, and I didn't even want to say it out loud, but so far the audio, I assume, has not messed up over there with the screen sharing. So we're just crossing fingers at this point. I can't believe it's working.
Sounding good here this end.
It may be. It could have something to do with that app. That app could have been the issue the whole entire time. I've never tried this. I didn't know that people did it this way, honestly. I know you said you did. Well, the wife has been doing it too, and she says she likes using the web browser. It's just easier. I don't know. I've never did it this way. Let's go, gold. Make Paul rich.
Oh, it's only what do you call them? It's only a sun trade.
Oh, I got you.
It's been reset now on Monday. So, but again, this is a trade I would have taken anyway. So I'm not just clicking on random. This is, there's a reason for the methodology. just as we said, there's going to be no return to weekly open.
No, it'd have to be, I feel like we'd have to have something pretty severe happen at this point to get back to weekly open.
Yep.
I don't think that's going to happen. I'm not sure there's any kind of news that is going to make the dollar that strong. I don't think Trump can come out and say anything that's going to pump the dollar to the degree to get gold all the way down there today. I just don't see it happening. Could be wrong, but I just don't see it happening.
What do you think of the NQ today?
Let's see. She's pretty sideways too. Like, I mean, gold's kind of sideways, but she was, I don't know. I mean, you could make the argument right now that you're looking at a good long.
Mm-hmm.
Honestly, let's see what the 15 looks like. That's a little tough. Maybe if it comes, I mean, on the 30, you look good, but it's going to be the high. I think on the 15, you could get a better entry. Maybe take this high. You see what I'm looking at? Because there's two differences here. This would be the high. If we can get it, if this candle can close like this, and then we get a down wick in the next candle, you could essentially long the high here, expecting this wick. Or if you want to be, well, no, that's the same high. It is the same high. You see what I'm looking at?
Yep, I see it. Yep.
Yeah, it is the same high. I thought that high was actually going to be there, but yeah. I'd love to see this close. Sorry, I had to cough. I don't know why I still got the coughs. I can't believe it. But anyways, I'd like to see this close up in this area, like this close up here a bit. And then the next candle come in, give a bottom wick, and then break that high, come up here and put a wick on this candle. That wouldn't be bad. Does it have to? No. You know, Nasdaq doesn't always like to play along, but that'd be a beautiful setup if I was looking at this on gold right now. I would love to see this candle bullish. I don't think it's going to close bullish, but that would make it even that much better if it came up and just put a little top wick. We don't got enough time for that. But I think this candle just a little bit bullish with just a little bitty top wick, and then the next candle come in with the bottom wick and flip. That entry would be absolutely perfect for a gold entry. Let's see what the... Well, I think I have to switch my thing. Here, it's all right. I'll pull it this way first. You should see gold, I imagine, but let me... It's a little harder going between my screens now, so I'll kind of do it this way. Take gold off. That should be Nasdaq. Let's see what Nasdaq looks like. 800. Yeah. Yeah, and I mean, it's looking good here, too. You've got a good, nice sideways consolidation. I don't like the wick here, but we got about 15 seconds. We do want a bottom wick first. So if you're looking at this candle, no top wick on this candle. We're looking for a bottom wick here. Well, we're looking for a bottom wick as the next candle opens. So you're looking for this to push down first, and then push up. Which should complete that, but it sure is slow. Oh, that's because we're only at 9:15. That is what it is, right? Break and retest, setting up now on indices. Yes. Yes. Werner, are you back yet? He's probably looking after his dad. Yeah. Just trying to figure out how he did that. I think, Paul, if I remember correctly, I think he had me download a second app, and then we just named it something else. But the thing was, it didn't work the same. So I'm not sure I'm right, first off. But the next thing is I can't currently download the original app. I mean, I can download it. It doesn't show the Discord sign. It shows a little, like, I want to call it an EXE box. It's just a little box that it shows on my apps. It won't show the icon for Discord first off, and it won't open. You open it, and it just spins and just stays black. It's just a black screen. It makes absolutely no sense. So it just does nothing. I don't get it. That push may wait until 9:30 again. Not saying it has to go up. That's just an ideal setup if it does.
Turns out I'm already in the long. I forgot I had opened the long.
Oh, you're already in the
long. I opened up a long at 24,641, and I missed all of that mad pump. See that massive wick?
Yeah.
I could have got it up around there because I had confluence up there, but I wasn't paying any attention to it.
Oh my jeez.
That's only a sum, like I said, I'm not bothered. I was just like, but I'm just testing my entry requirements.
Yeah, yeah. All right,
So, yeah, I'm
maybe we
looking
need
exactly the same thing you're looking at. I'm looking at on the 30, hoping that we're going to get that nice little flip. Myself and Manpour was chatting about this. I'd said all the shorts were coming in on the 30. Hopefully that's basically our next TRC. That's what I was hoping for.
Yep, for sure, for sure. What did I do? I messed it up. I don't know how I do that either. All right, there we go. For some reason, I'll click it over here. I don't get it, but I'll click it to go back to the, I'm looking at NQ and I'll click it to try to go back to gold, or I'm on gold and I click it to try to go to NQ, and it'll just open another tab for the asset I was trying to click. And now it'll sit there and spin, and then it opens it all, but it's a second tab for the exact same thing. I don't know why. I don't know what I click, but sometimes I do it.
Just not your day-to-day reality.
No. Looking to catch the wicked rip. Just saw that. That's the only thing. I'm going to miss a lot of the text chat in Discord, guys. So, there's Warner. I've been trying to figure out where you were all morning. He's gonna be like, I only left for 5 minutes. How could you miss me that bad? I messed up this morning, and I know you're gonna remember this, but I have absolutely no idea how to fix it. This morning I got up. Yeah, just went to have coffee. Yeah, I know. This morning I just got up to get everything going, and the Discord did not work. My computer crashed. The computer crashed and Discord didn't open. Well, I've reinstalled the Discord app a couple weeks back as well for the exact same reason. You already know my Discord app is crap. Okay, so today I made a mistake. I went into apps to uninstall it, right? And when I went in, I searched down and all I did was look at the icons instead of looking at the words. And the Discord icon, I saw it, I uninstalled it, and then I looked at the machine and I uninstalled that one that you helped me install. So, and I want to tell you something else that's weird. When I found the Discord app that I used, the other one, it didn't have the Discord icon. It was like a little window. I told Paul, and I'm sure this isn't correct terminology, but to me, it's like an EXE window. It's just a window. It didn't have the icon for Discord. So I ended up uninstalling them both, right? Obviously, I want the one that you helped me install back because there was nothing wrong with that one. But I went back into Discord, I downloaded the new app, and again, it still didn't work, and it still, on my app list, doesn't show Discord icon. It just shows this little window. I mean, like I said, I don't know what you call it, but it's just a little window. That's what the icon is for it. I mean, I'd refer to it as like an EXE window. I don't know. I don't know what you actually would call that, but it's just a window. It doesn't look like the little blue Discord guy. So I know it's not working. So I'm over on Discord now on the web browser is how I'm working this morning. But obviously, if I had the same one that you originally helped me with, I'd have the chat this morning. I can't believe I uninstalled it. I messed up. I don't know how I did it, but it was Discord 1. Remember when we put that in? I just don't remember how we did it. But that was the only way I was ever able to get the chat to come over on the YouTube screen. And now I messed up and it's gone. He didn't reply back, Paul. That means he left. He's like, nope. This guy messes up too much. I'm gone. I can't remember how we did it initially. I don't either. What you said was here's the words that you used, Werner, and hopefully this makes sense because I always say the same thing, and I know I talk to all these guys all the time, and I use the same terminology that you use, but what you said was that we created a second instance, is what you said, of Discord. And that's how the chat would work. And what I'd do is I'd open the chat on that screen, and it just said Discord, and then it had a 1 in parentheses. So I'd use the chat in that screen, and then I went to the regular app, and I would go on live on that one. I can't believe I messed it up. We may not be able to get it back. If we can't get it back, we can't get it back. But the weird thing is, when you download the new version and install it, it should work when you install, yeah. Yeah, it doesn't. I can show you what well, no, I probably better not do it now. But it's a little box. What it looks like. There's more on here, so I'll show you what it looks like when I say more of them that look that way. Oh, you don't remember doing it. Okay, well. It is what it is. It's no big deal. For whatever reason, see the Apex, I don't know if that thing even works because I just run it, but I can show you what it looks like. Hold on. Let me get a screenshot. Hopefully that doesn't mess the whole stream up. I guess it might, because now I'm not on the app no more, so it may do something different. Then does that stop everything for you guys, or what did it do there? Who knows? I don't know what you saw there, but Werner, if you're, or let me just drop it in. I guess I can't drop it on YouTube. I never thought about that. Go away thing. This is what it looks like, except it says Discord beside it. See that little window on the left side? That's what it looks like when on Discord, that little window on the left, rather than having the Discord logo. But the one that you did, it had the Discord window and said 1 beside it. I should have never uninstalled it. I didn't realize it. I thought that was the one I was working on. That's why I didn't know, because it showed a little window like that rather than the Discord logo like it used to. So something was wrong with it. And when I reinstall it, it does the same thing. It shows that little window and it won't open. But it's, I don't know. We'll figure it out one way or the other. Maybe we'll have to, I don't know what we'll have to do with the chat. Don't worry, I don't got Rumble running today either. For whatever reason, it didn't work. I've just been having all kinds of issues. It's not an issue. It's a, where did you drop? Oh, on the live chat. I'm sorry. Live trading. I can't drop it on YouTube. I wish I could. That little window that's on the left of that picture there is what that Discord looked like, my actual Discord app, and it used to have the, you know, the little blue, I don't know what that thing is. Looks like a game controller or something, that little blue Discord guy. Yeah. They're just making sure that you're not talking about, you know, emotional support apparatuses or anything like that, Werner. That's all they're doing. They're just making sure they check your messages before they send them through. You know what we can't talk about. yeah, man, what's a zipped? You know, we're not allowed to talk about, Warner, and they're making sure that you don't spit no bad messages.
I seen a video last night on YouTube, and they were talking about non-lethal emotional support weapons that you can get on Amazon. And I have to say, I'm quite impressed. I don't think anything will be legal where I'm at, but they are considered non-lethal. I'd love to get my hands on a couple of them.
Yeah. Huh.
The pepper ball one, the velocity that it goes at, it's just like unbelievable.
Yeah, I've seen those. I've seen those pepper ball ones. I've seen those before.
Must do a bit of research into the legalities of it all.
Yeah. So what do you think, Warner? Why would it... That icon means that it is not the correct exe file for Discord, but after installing it should be fine. Yeah, no, it's the same thing. That's what I thought. I said exe, Paul. See, I kind of know something, kind of. Warner's taught me a lot. Yeah, that's what I thought you called that thing, was exe. And that's what happens if I install Discord right now. That's what I get, is that little that's why I called it exe. I must have got that from you, I'm telling you. But yeah, I get that little window there, and the Discord won't open. The app itself will not open. So you know how much I've been struggling with this. I don't understand why Discord's such a problem. And I even told Paul this morning, it wasn't just this computer. You already know. The computer before this had the same issue. And it's really funny because I've got Discord on all my phones, and there's not a problem one. I've got 3 different phones that it's on, and they all work brilliantly. You see, Black. Good morning, PD. So I don't know. I don't get the desktop app. I don't understand why I have so many issues with it. Either way, this will work. I think it seems to be working just fine, honestly, but I don't know now. Yeah, I know it doesn't like me. I wish that I wouldn't have uninstalled that thing and we'd still have the chat. That's the only thing that I'm upset about. And I don't know how to get it back at this point. So I can't believe I did that. I messed up. I was looking for the icon for Discord and I saw it, so I uninstalled. That was not the right one, sadly. So, I don't know. We may not have Discord chat. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do because I can't pop out the chat here. I really don't know how to get the chat. I don't think you can do a pop out here. Inbox. Yeah, you can't. I just don't know how to make it work at this now is the problem. I don't know. Yeah, I think it's all gone. Or I believe. I think it's already all gone. I think. I mean, I can't be for sure, obviously, because I know there's more to it probably than that, but it said that it uninstalled everything that went along with it, if that makes sense. And I uninstalled them both, sadly, so there's nothing left. I don't see anything in apps that says Discord. I've got no icons, I've got no nothing, but I mean, I think all Discord's gone. But right now I'm just running through. Yeah, it could be. It's a mess, that's all I know. It's alright though. It is what it is. I don't know. Let me look at one other thing. Now that I'm thinking about it. Let's go to Social Stream Ninja while we're messing with all this. Featured chat overlay. Visibility, I think.
Charts light up my screen. Time moves differently. In the sacred space where patterns race. Through my mind so clear as others disappear. When the world sleeps, my mind awakens. Every trade flows like meditation. I study every line. Trade, I make the moment mine. When it's written in the signs.
I don't understand why I can't find it here. Very nice, Man of the Woods. Sorry, I just saw that. I'm trying to figure. I don't see it. I'll have to mess with it when I'm off stream. I can't figure out where. I could have swore Discord was somewhere on this social stream. Thought maybe I could change it and try to make it work, but can't figure out where the optional chat services. That's what I'm looking for. Capture Discord chat. Yeah, see, it's already on. Discord channels to allow all default. So it's turned on. But for whatever reason, I can't make it work. Yeah, it's already set to on. I just want to make sure that I had it on. Just in case I messed it up. Alright. Anyway. What's the wick like on that candle? We just missed that. It's 9:30 and I'm not paying attention. Way too big. For me, if any of you guys did try to get in on that flip, good luck to you. For me, that was too big of a wick though, not gonna lie. Let me check I can't check my, I don't think I can check my DMs there. Let me do it on my phone so I don't mess anything up.
Top step just went long on gold. So be careful, guys.
Okay, I see what you got here. You know what it said? Warner, I'm sorry, I'm sitting here talking out loud and good morning, Trishim. This morning I got a message down on the bottom of my screen. I forget what it was, but it said something about antivirus. What did it say? Antivirus software ending or something. I've got a lot of different antivirus stuff on here. I wonder if that is the issue now that you say that. It said something. I don't remember what it said. I wonder if that's what's blocking it. Maybe you're right there. I may have to get it. I'll try to mess with it this weekend, guys, and hopefully I can get it back up and working. For now, there was that entry. It would have been ugly, though. I'm not a fan of that very much. I mean, not saying it won't go, but you would have been better off now with this candle because you had no bottom wick here. So that bottom wick, you'd have been better off actually entering here after that new candle was made. Expecting here rather than all the way up there where it was at. Hopefully that makes sense. If you guys did, you know, if you are long, good job, but I wasn't looking.
Like I said, be careful. Top steps going long.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, never mind. Scratch that. Don't go long. No, believe it or not, Paul, this time it's going to work out for him. So, sadly, they're probably going to win this one. I mean, maybe not, but maybe they can even mess up a good setup. Who knows?
They're long from 3788.
All right.
That's their entry price.
3788.
Yeah.
I must have different numbers than them.
Mm-hmm. No, they're just that bad.
Oh. I mean, I expect that she will push up here. I think they'll win this one, maybe. They're going to have a win? Is that possible?
Wait. Apparently? Well, I'm watching it live so I can stun myself.
This is the first win. Push record on your OBS. You got a top step win. Top step win. No, I don't know. Maybe it won't. Maybe it won't play. Maybe this will be. Maybe this will be a loss as well. That's crazy.
I have faith in them. I have faith in them.
That is so funny. But yeah, your entry would have been here instead, guys, unless you just got super, you know, ballsy and took the flip, which would have been absolutely amazing, but tough all at the same time. But we expect to close outside here. Now, if it closes back inside, you know, that's when you are thinking about maybe not holding this, and then they're going to get killed, but quite possibly. They can even mess up a good thing, it looks like. How's that possible?
Well, before they entered the trade, I was $670 up, and now I'm practically back at break even the minute they entered.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, what are you going to do? They're that bad, I guess. I don't know.
Sit here and enjoy the show.
Absolutely unbelievable. Let's see. In order for this to run up, you'd like to see, like I said, a close up here would be super nice rather than all the way down there, but. And if this closes bearish, you're, that's definitely not good for the move up.
It's recovering a little bit.
Yeah. 5 looks like a fake out. Wow. Wow.
What excuses are coming up with now?
Yep. Unbelievable. Let's see. 15's got 2 minutes. You really want the close above, but we'll see.
Learn, trade, win, that's the mission. Learn, trade, win, pure precision.
Tapping that tap should give you a push. I'm telling you, I think they may actually win this one. I mean, I don't know. I don't know where their take profit is, so I shouldn't say that.
I'm not sure I meant it's on the gold. They took that long on gold. Sorry.
Oh, they got along on gold. Oh, no. We were talking about Nasdaq. I thought they were going to win this one. Are you kidding me? It's really on gold?
Yeah, that's why
No. No,
yeah.
I was wondering what the price was. I was like, what are you talking about? I don't see this price. Oh, no. We're talking about gold.
3788. That's when I entered that trade. 3788. That's the entry price.
Okay, never mind. I was looking at NQ. I was like, they're gonna win. They're finally gonna win one. Oh no. Yeah. Yeah. Not saying gold won't go up. Funny. We could recover that wick, I guess.
Yep. Doesn't look too bad on the 800 in all fairness to it now.
Yeah.
Back down to the entry price. Planted a nice green candle. Another big white,
Yeah.
but a nice green body candle now pushing back up. So
Yeah.
yeah.
It's not bad.
Something.
It's not bad. They may win this one anyway. Huh. Not bad at all. I agree with you.
Learn to trade and trade to win. That's the path we've always been. Market mavericks, mind the movement. We mastering this money mission. Learn, trade, win. That's our vision.
Conflicting AV software. NQ was sloppy. ES was perfect for that trade you mapped out. Yeah. Yeah. I want, like, how do you get the right side of that? Man of the Woods, how to, I never look at any of the rest of the, indices as I do these things, but they said you're not the first person who've said this. I forget who else used to come on the live stream all the time and trade the others. I forget what his name was. He hadn't been here in a while. After the break, I think he left out. But either way, remember he used to come on all the time and he'd talk about how YM and ES was doing this, that, the other. Yeah, I don't know how you... Yes, Soul, thank you. Yeah, I don't know where he's been at, though. Yeah. Yeah, he used to show up every day, and then I got sick, and He's not here anymore, sadly. I hate that when we lose, you know, people. But it is what it is. What are you going to do, right?
Technically, we didn't lose anything.
Oh, he did swing by the Discord? Huh. Okay, yeah, I didn't keep up on a lot, guys. I tried to, but I was not keeping up with much at the time, so.
Hopefully he'll be back.
Yeah, hopefully. Like I said, we'll see. We have the same thing. I mean, you guys already know, coming up to the holidays, we take some time off for the holidays too, and this year, I believe that's going to be more, because normally what we do, and I'll just give you guys the plan right now for what we're thinking, just because the wife and I have talked it over, and again, this is all dependent on how everything goes, but it was what we used to do was we used to take off for Thanksgiving when the market was closed, and then we would come back, and there was like a week gap or something, I think, where the market was open between Thanksgiving and Christmas, and then we would come back for that, and then we would take off for the, you know, Christmas holiday up to the first of the year. But there was never anything in between that gap. So I think that we're probably going to take that gap off as well. So probably what we're going to do this year, because as near as we can tell, and I'm going to use Werner's words here, the baby is going to make the decision itself, but it's supposed to be, you know, I think it's December 19th is the actual due date. So that's going to be right there in that gap. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to take from Thanksgiving to the first of the year off. So hopefully that doesn't bother anybody, but I got to tell you, we've never got any trades in that time. Guys, if you go back to the previous years, there was never anything going on. All we did was sit here and, you know, watch candles do nothing, because everybody takes that Christmas, you know, the whole holiday season off. So there's no volatility in the market. It's super slow. So there's that top wick and flip to us, but that's kind of what the plans were. We were talking about it yesterday. So that's what the thoughts are, just taking that whole holiday season off, because I'm going to have a ton of days that are going to be off anyway in there. So I figured maybe we just take the whole thing off. We'll see as we get closer, but that's kind of what the thoughts are, because I think normally we run like an extra week in between Thanksgiving and Christmas every year. I think we run like a week there that we keep the live stream open, but there's never been anything for the last, what is it, going on the third year? There's never been anything that's happened in between that time. We just kind of sit here and see no kind of price action at all, because nobody's trading. Everybody's out on vacation. So all your institutions are closed. All your traders are, you know, having holidays, making trips, doing all these things. So you just don't see any kind of volume, any kind of anything in the market. It's just kind of sideways the whole time. So, and we're closed here, there, and everywhere during those times. So that's kind of what the thoughts were, guys.
Well, I'll be here till the very last minute because I get Christmas. So the VC's still be running.
Yeah, and that's fine. That works out good too. My thing is, the baby's actually supposed to be arriving somewhere in that gap, you know, and the market's closed a ton in that gap as well. So I figured that was a perfect opportunity, because it is going to be a few, I mean, obviously some days off when all this stuff takes place here, there, and everywhere. So it's kind of perfect. You know, as far as the live stream and everything goes, it's kind of perfect timing, because that's, like I said, that's kind of we're off mostly during that time anyways. So it's really not going to change much for the live stream schedule for the most part. It's just doctor appointments leading up to it that's going to, you know, be times that I take off here and there. But beyond that, there's not going to be a lot of time that has to be taken off for all of it, really. So I hope they took profit.
I'm not even looking at them. Hold on a second here. I flip over. I'm enjoying the sunshine out my window, looking at the beautiful grass. Let me see. What have they done now? No, they're actually $123 up. Wow.
Okay, well that's good.
Oh yeah, it'll be all the more funny whenever they lose.
Yeah, that's the problem. That's why I said I hope they take profit. I mean, it doesn't have to go down, but the thing is what does this look like right now? Currently, and I mean, stops can be ran. Don't get me wrong. We already look at this, but if she closes back below this daily, more than likely she'll probably go down. That everybody thinks that we pulled liquidity here. You know, swing failure pattern, however you want to look at it. So maybe we close above and they're fine, but you've only got 7 minutes and we're kind of down. So we'll wait and see here. But if this hour closes below with these little bottom wicks, you already know she could push back down. Not necessarily have to, but she could push back down on them. I mean, this is your 4-hour close as well. I mean, you could argue that we're here. Could argue that we closed above this structure if we close above it, which is going to be, you know, your overnight range. If we close above it, you could argue that's good. If we close above the daily, you know, that would be nice for them, obviously, to make this move up. I could see it going up, but I could see it going back down too.
Well, statistically speaking, from watching them for the last month and a half, I would imagine it's going to go down at some stage. They'll make a layer of me now on a live stream, but we'll see.
It's rough. I know I wouldn't want to be either way currently.
Yeah, but you haven't got 4,000 morons watching you.
If you have 4,000 people all trading the same way, that means that you're moving the market, right?
Yeah, that's my theory. As I said before, I think they're doing it deliberately to lead everybody down the wrong path, and then that's how they make their money. That's only allegedly, obviously. But
yeah.
From the way they trade, it's the only logical thing I can think of.
Yeah. Hold on 1 second. I got a call coming through. Give me 1 sec.
Jump 10 points just to shift the gears. You trading metal, you trading pride. It pulls you deep, then flips the tide. You thought it was done, now this is the start. Gold don't care about your fibs or your chart. I seen it pause for hours, then explode in seconds. Whips our dreams cold and lessons. It don't follow rules, it breaks them, then rewrites them, then rewrites them. Gold got moves, swings don't get caught. Moves like a queen, cold but hot. You chase, you lose, that's how it plays. You wait, you strike, that's how you stay. A mirror to fear, a lover to pain. Gold ain't a trade, it's a hurricane. It's not just a chart, it's alchemy. Turn your peace into panic. That's gold. I take gold in my favor. Patience paid off, now I taste the flavor. Profit so clean, don't need no savior. I'm the one, go feel the labor.
They rushing loud, I'm moving silence. Gold made me rich off pure compliance. Rules I wrote, now I live them slow. Seeing that setup, yeah, I let it grow. No fear trades, I'm built from loss.
All right, guys, sorry about that. It was the neighbor. He says he can't sleep. I don't know. He said he hadn't slept all night. I don't know. Been saying this for yeah, I know. Yeah, exactly. He's been telling me this for like 2 or 3 days. Oh, I can't sleep at night. I can't sleep at night. Okay. I mean, I don't think if you want my honest opinion, and I don't know. I think that he's sleeping during the day and not and not realizing it. He's like, "Oh no, I'm not." I said, "Are you sure? When you're sitting here watching TV, just sitting in bed, not doing anything, are you sure you're not, you know, dozing off or whatever?" Right? Like, I don't know. So he doesn't sound, you know what I'm saying? When somebody hadn't slept for 3 days, he claims he hadn't slept for 3 days. You know what they sound like. He sounds fine.
Yep.
So I don't know. What does he want you to do? I have no idea, Werner. I have no idea what he wants me to do about it. He's just he's, like I said, he's 76 years old and just likes to share, I guess. I don't know what he wants me to do. It's like, I have to get some sleep. I'm like, I'm on the live stream. Oh, yeah, it's that time, ain't it? Yes, it's that time. I don't know. I think it's probably hard for him to, and I know we talk all the time about how I'd love for him not to have to do you know, DoorDash and stuff like that, but I bet it's hard going from, I think he was walking like 6,000 steps a day, right? So I mean, at his age, that's pretty dang good, just saying. So he's walking 6,000 steps a day doing DoorDash, and now he's stuck in a bed. I think that probably has something to do with it. It probably is hard. I mean, if you go from actually doing stuff and then not doing anything, well, it probably is a little tougher to go to sleep, because when you get home at night after working all day and walking 6,000 steps and everything else, you're tired, you're ready to go to bed. And now he's spent the last, what's it been now? A week and a half, 2 weeks? I don't know. It's been a little while, guys, and he hasn't did nothing. Essentially got up and down very little and hasn't even been outside. So he went from a hospital straight to here, you know. So.
Yeah. Not easy.
Well, Garbarian King, you should come here and help him sleep, because I don't know how you do that. Old people, women, computers, mosquitoes. By the way, they're all the same. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
You 4-hour candle open.
Yeah. And it closed right at, so assumptions are, and I mean, the 4 is going to look the same. Assumptions are you're going to put a top wick, flip and come down. Now, how big is that top wick? Well, it's the 4 hour, so it could be pretty big. So maybe they get their take profit here. I don't know. It did close above, for all fairness, the 4 hour structure. So you could get a move up. You know, it actually closed above the hour too. I mean, it closed above for everything, it looks like. So, I mean, yeah, I mean, not the ugliest, but I assume we come back down first just because we're putting on the top wick first. But again, you can get no bottom wick candles, so it happens. Maybe they win one. We kind of said they might win one today, Paul. So maybe they get lucky. I mean, you can't lose every trade, can you? You got to win one here and there.
True, the odd one.
There's got to be a win somewhere.
The Dixie dumpling Not really, well.
And now they're going to look brilliant because they're going to win a trade. So,
Well, we're definitely going to hit 797. That's the top of the previous 30, so I'm expecting a pop on just these feet. Here it comes. There it is. Beautiful.
all right, Forest Boy. Have a good one, man of the woods.
Cheers, lad.
I will see you on Monday, man. How did Landon's? I missed that too. I thought, did he go early or something? Paul, because I missed the whole thing. I don't understand. Like, I tried to catch it and I thought he was already gone.
Yeah, I missed it myself. I was doing other stuff outside. It was dry.
Thank you, man of the woods. Yeah, you were there. Okay. Yeah. I mean, he always does a great job. Don't get me wrong. I was going to just pop in and say hi to everybody. And it seemed like by the time I popped in, there was nobody there. So, and I know he posted that he was going to be doing it. So he must have went early or something, because I did somehow miss it. I don't know why he doesn't ping Trading Education. I keep telling him to ping Trading Education because that's the role. I mean, live streams is fine, but the only reason I ever ping live streams is because we were actually on a live stream. He can ping both of them, doesn't matter, but I wish he would ping Trading Education too, because that's who really is supposed to get the pings for that, because it's an education stream. But either way, no problem. Either way, it doesn't matter. Have a good one, man of the woods. See you on Monday. Hopefully I'll try to make everything work by then. Maybe. I'll try. Dang.
My God, they're shorting Nasdaq and they're actually winning. They got out of that gold trade with $128, so they didn't let it run, but they still got out to $128 in profit, and they're in profit now on this one as well so far.
Yeah, we put on the wick just like we thought here. So, yep, that one actually worked out. Not Man of the Woods said it worked out a lot better on the ES, so I imagine it did. Yeah, much bigger push up, but yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But not bad, but yeah, gold still. Still moving.
Learn, trade, win. That's the motto we live in.
Enjoy. Hey, Aiken. Good morning, man. Enjoy what?
Looking at them charts all day. Red numbers hit different when you rent late. Studied every pattern till my eyes went blank. Now I move different, got a different rank. Used to chase the quick flip, ended up in pain. Had to learn patience, had to train my brain. Watching all these suckers make the same mistakes.
Give me a minute, must let the dogs out.
All right, Paul. He said tacos. Paul heard that on the way out, just so you know, he can spamming tacos all over the place.
Learn, trade, win. That's the way. Every day we begin. Stack it up. Learn, trade, win. Never stop till we all eating good again. again. Mirando los números, estudiando juego. While these fools sleeping, yo no tengo sueño. Aprendí las reglas, now I break the code. Desde abajo hasta arriba, that's how the story goes. Lost 100.
How are you doing though, Aiken? Everything good? Plenty of tacos, full belly?
Now I move smooth like agua en el río. Got the perfect timing, that's my estilo. All my people eating, we don't stress no more. Built an empire from the knowledge that I stored. Every win I get, I spread gain to my team. Now we all up, living out a scheme. Money flowing steady like a natural stream. Got these fools watching like it's on the screen, but they don't see the work behind the scenes. Years of losses turned into victories. Had to reshape my mind, leave the fear behind. Now I'm in my prime. Watch
Maybe not. He must be out. He must not have had no tacos, guys.
learn, trade, win.
He's too weak to type now.
Learn, trade, win forever till we all eating good again.
So we're tacos gone, I guess so. We don't know what that says. Uh-oh. He's in trouble. You need tacos for savior now. Arm's getting weak. That's funny.
Pattern to pattern, I multiply. Learn from the losses, then watch fly. Let it fly, let it. Numbers don't lie, yeah, they tell me why. Some people lose while others rise high. Follow the facts and let them guide. Been patient and watch me thrive. Started with nothing but time on my screen. Studying movements, know what they mean. Painting my brain from the mistakes I made, but every L taught me how to get paid, yeah. Moving methodical, mind over feels. Data don't change, but the emotion steals. Build my foundation brick by brick. Now watch me calculate every flip. Patience paying off, they can't understand how I stay cool when the pressure land. Focus forward, never looking back. Keep it clean while they moving slack. Yeah, facts. Facts. Took my time to learn the rules while they rushed and playing fools. Now they ask me how I knew, but I just let the numbers move. People want quick wins, instant gains. I build my system through the pain. Analyze the flow, recognize signs while they chase. How I read between lines, monitor movements, master the map. Calculate decision based on proof. Calculate choices down to the last. Every decision based ain't trends. Why they gambling on the roof? This ain't luck, looking pure performance dance. Watch a lesson that I earned. Big facts. Numbers don't lie, that's why I rely on what I can prove, not what they try. Pattern to pattern, I multiply. Learn from the losses, then watch fly. Let it fly, let it. Numbers don't lie, yeah, they tell me why. Some people lose while others rise high. Follow the facts and let them guide. Been patient, now watch me thrive.
That gold move was nice with no bottom wick, guys. Jeez.
Numbers speak loud, never get tired. Yeah, we are.
No bottom wick made it tough, though. I'm not gonna lie. And this bottom wick was too big. That would have been the great entry. The problem was, look at that wick. 60 ticks. Barely any top wick, and then barely any bottom wick there. Made it super tough. I mean, it's just... Not a lot we can do there, guys. Nice move, not gonna lie, but bottom wick, you could have almost took it there, but it would have been super hard because that was the last 15 of the 4 hours. So I got to be honest with you, I still wouldn't have entered, even if we would have had a bottom wick there. So there was nothing to do there. Anyway, what are you gonna do? Anybody got any big plans for the weekend?
Bringing wood, gardening, and cleaning. I hate the weekends.
Beautiful. You hate the weekends.
I really hate the weekends. I know when I used to be a DJ, now it's just like, oh my god. Just counting down the hours to Sunday evening.
Yeah.
I think I might be a wee bit obsessed here. Oh, the Nasdaq's doing a nice sweep of the ranges. A 15-minute candle. Wow.
Yep. Sure enough. Yeah, they're moving. Looking good. Nice move. It's just
that's the opening 4 hour as well.
in Q short. I mean, I hope you're already short, Aiken. Because she's running now, sadly.
Don't worry. Gotta have them tacos first and then short.
All right.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, man.
Actually starting to move down again.
Yep. Oh yeah, I forgot, Paul. We were in the middle of talking about the algo yesterday, and I forgot to tell you, after the 55, when I never got triggered, I actually entered at after the actual close at the 4 and took a trade. Then I don't know if you did the same thing for that long, because that long ended up playing out really well. That was called for the 55 that didn't really move. And I've noticed that a lot of times for that 55, and maybe you've seen the same, if it doesn't really move for the 55, a lot of times it'll go in the direction once the close happens at 4 for the 4 o'clock. And I kind of thought with the some earnings coming in yesterday that I caught a move there. Not a ton, but it was fine because I didn't catch the 50 or the 55. I mean, not that I didn't catch 55. 55 just didn't move quick enough, so closed the position and waited for the close, and then took it there.
I actually front ran the algo because of the way it was setting up on the 800.
Yeah.
So I got on just about maybe 30-40 seconds before the algo kicked off.
Very nice.
Really does.
We wrote it.
During that period of time, you have the right ranges drawn up, man. She is pretty predictable.
Yep. Very true. Very true.
Yeah, we wrote it to like what do we say, 5:45 or so? Whatever was it, Jiggy?
Let me see where we're at. Did I remove? I think I removed the boxes that I'd drawn up for that. Yeah, we definitely, like I said, it ran, hit the ranges that we thought it was going to hit for the 5 minutes. Sorry, the 10 to 3 one or 10 to 4 one, and then it just continued on through very slowly, like you said. Reality, I was seriously worried at one stage because it went up and it just practically stalled.
Yeah.
And then it took off again, but it was at the top of the range. The candle closed a bit outside of the range, so that gave me a little bit of confidence to keep it open.
Lost it all back in May. Learn my rules, found my way. No emotions when I trade. Calculate every play. Check the trends, read the signs, take my time. They wonder how I made it, but I know what it takes. Keep studying the patterns while everybody breaks. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent moves make loud money. Loud money. Loud money. Loud money. Loud money. Started from zero, now I'm up. Studied the game, built it up. Losses taught me what I know. Now I move smart, watch it grow in my zone. Trust on screen, everything moving clean. No distractions, clear mind. Perfect timing, by design. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent money. Yeah. Watch and learn. Silent moves. That's how we do it.
Fuck that weak shit. I stay focused while they all quit. Let's go. All day I grind, screen in my face. Numbers align, set my own pace. Fuck what they say. I got my way. Most walk away, but I'm gon' stay. Quick with the clicks, mindful of tricks. Ain't no look shit, pure analytics. Watch how I move, call it precise. Ready to prove, bid it their price. Wait and strike, do it right. Learn the game, stack the game. Patient hunt, front to front. This my time, watch me climb. Fuck all the noise, clear out my head. Make the right choice, stack up this bread. Quick on the draw, but timing is key. Study the law of supply and charts tell the truth, data don't lie. Here's the proof, watch profits fly. Discipline tight, mind in the zone, do this shit right. I'm on thrive.
Down, take a breath, every L just shows the test. Build it up, break it down, analyze without the stress. Then
Back in attack, flow like a pro. Stay on the track, watch numbers grow. Cut through the shit, trust what I know. Win bit by bit, put on a show. Every move planned, nothing by chance. Take my stance, seize my advance. Quick with the wits, sharp as a blade, making hits. Getting paid. Ring, 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 ring.
I pumped and dumped. Wow.
Yeah, that's what I call it. Gold very open, still running. I just left it open for the 4 hour, and it's taken off to the moon. So the
Very
motherfuckers
nice.
actually won. Dang it. But in all fairness, they only made $123, so I still take some satisfaction from that.
Yeah, right? I should get the wick here. It's very nice. I couldn't do nothing with it. I gotta be honest with you. There just wasn't nothing. I mean, like I said before, you had this nice doji candle that took out the bottoms here on the 15, so you could have long the top. You got no bottom wick here, and this was 15 minutes to the 4 hour close. So trying to take the break here, I wouldn't have took it. I mean, obviously it played out perfectly, but I truthfully wouldn't have took it. I mean, you got to ask yourself these things when you're sitting here looking at a move that happened and you say, hey, I missed this thing. Would you have took it? You know what I mean? I wouldn't have. So for me, I don't feel like I missed anything here. Would I love to have been in this? Obviously, who wouldn't have? But I mean, you could have took the 4 hour again. Same thing. 4 hour, you got to close above, top wick. All you need was a bottom wick. And you could have took the 4 hour to recover this wick and then to run this up, expecting this wick to be recovered, which it's about to do. But there was no bottom wick. I mean, I wouldn't have been in this trade. I mean, I love the candle. These are the candles we trade. But the entry wasn't there. You know, the setup's there. You want to talk about it, right? Here's the setup. What was the setup? We closed above. We got a top wick, you know. So now what are we looking for an entry? A bottom wick and a flip. And you could have entered to recover this wick, but there was no entry. Setup was here. Everything looked fine, but the entry did not present itself. So there's just 100 times I wouldn't do it.
Nasdaq's looking pretty good, boy.
Now cash market traders fighting for the gold. Yeah, gold looks beautiful. It did. I wouldn't have been in it. And if you could have found a reason to enter, you know, by all means, it's just, I wouldn't have been in it. I mean, and I can't sit here and deny the fact. And again, it could have came up, it could have hit the 0.5, you know, with no bottom wick. It could have came up, hit the 0.5 of this wick, flipped and pushed down just as easy, right? That's the whole reason I wanted to take the trade. But it played out perfectly, exactly how it's supposed to play. We needed that bottom wick for an inch. I needed that bottom wick for an entry. If you run without wicks, then by all means, you were in it. For me, that's just part of my entry criteria, so I never would have took the trade. This is the candle we look for. I mean, this is the one we trade. So it is right. This is our candle. This is the one. That's the one we're supposed to be in, but the entry just was not there.
We're not that far from all-time high in reality.
No, we are not. She's right here.
And we claimed every single VWAP for the week as well. I love when it does that.
Yep. I think with this, next week should be good. I mean, I guess we'll see, but there's our wick. There's what we're looking for. Very beautiful. So perfect. It played out perfectly, guys. Again, I mean, it's just how you look at it. I mean, if we want to get all upset and say, hey, you know, we should have been in this and we're upset now and everything else, I mean, I guess you can, but I mean, for all practical things, it's better realizing that you understood that this was going to play and the entry just wasn't there than, you know, being concerned that you didn't get in. It sucks, but it is what it is. Coulda, woulda. Yeah. Yep. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Yeah. And I mean, that's the whole thing. And I mean, it's not, not shoulda, coulda, woulda for me because the entry wasn't there. So I wouldn't take it. You give me the same opportunity again, I'm still not going to take it. And that's just my rule set. That's my discipline, how I take it. If you say again, hey, Here the setup is again exactly the same setup. The entry's not there. Take it because last time the entry played without your entry. You know, the position played without your entry. That's what gets guys in trouble. Because they see this happen with no bottom wick, and now all of a sudden they start thinking to themselves, oh well, next time this setup plays no bottom wick, I'm just going to go ahead and long it without the bottom wick because that makes it better. But the problem is, you know, that's where consistency starts playing, and now you're taking inconsistent entries. And once that starts happening, now the consistency goes out the window. The consistency goes out the window. What happens? Well, you know, inside break up on the 30. I didn't take it. Having VPN. Yeah. And that's what it is. Inside and then the break. And that's exactly the same thing that I'm talking about. It's basically the same thing that I was looking at here. The 15 looks better for me. I like the take of the lows first. But yeah, it's the exact same thing. So this would be the same exact candle. So the candle that you traded, that you needed to trade there, Werner, would have been the exact same candle I would have traded. Because the break of that high would have been the entry. Right? So it's pretty close. Entry would have been pretty close. You're looking at the break of this high, which essentially is fine. For the 30, that's fine. Same thing. Essentially the same thing. My problem is I need a bottom wick. So on the 15, filled 2 down. Yeah. Yep, exactly. So with a bottom wick, I would have took this trade. Because for me, here's what it was, and it's all the exact same thing. We closed above the 4 hour, so this flip right here, and that's right in between those two entries. This flip right here would have been the entry, so that would have been your entry. Let's take that away. We'll put it up, you know, as your more of a P&L. Maybe it'll make sense that way. But this would have been your entry right here. The flip of that candle. So that flip would have been your entry, expecting to recover the wick that had already recovered from the, what is it, 1 hour? I believe, yeah, this wick right here. So that would have been your destination, what you made it to. But that flip would have been the entry had you had a bottom wick. You need the bottom wick. So right there would have been the bottom wick. And the entry would have been the flip of that candle. Whoops. That makes sense. So TP1 would have been right here. Recovery of that wick.
Oil's pumping.
So TP1 would have been, you know, 50 ticks. But either way, pull that off there. We'll delete all that, but yeah, that would have been the entry had the entry presented itself. The problem is the entry for me wasn't there, so and I'll never take one without the entry really. So I might call it, but this one was just rough there. I'll be honest with you. So let's look at oil. Yeah, oil is pumping.
Yeah, that 4 hour had a 3 tick. Like all worked down, so it would have been on the trade before the 4 hour kicked off.
Yeah.
That 15-minute candle, that's the one that I got on reality. My logic was it came back down again. It swept the London high, put the wick back up again, and I caught the wick on the way back up, and I'm still riding it. So that entry, like you said, was perfect for that, but it wasn't. Yeah. It wasn't the optimum safe one, put it that way. But again, it was. If you know what you're doing and you're looking at the 800, that reduces a lot of the danger.
Yep. Pretty close. What do we look like at 30? Yeah, tough running here too. I'm not going to take anything off this, guys. I'll be honest with you. I'm not going to tell you it's going to be a yeah, actually I am. You know what? I'm going to tell you it's probably going to be a no trade day today. for me all the way around, because there's no algo. I mean, I'm not going to take the algo on this afternoon either, so I think today for me is going to be a sit out day. This is such a big move up. I guess we can wait. I mean, I'm not going to wait. I'm going to close down, but I guess throughout the day you can wait and see what happens. But I'm going to assume that she's going to trade sideways right here. Again, could be wrong. Maybe she goes up, and I guess we can go as far as the top of that thing there, but I assume she trades kind of in this range. Now, if she goes up and she starts breaking this high into this range and coming back up here, then obviously you got up to here that you're trading. That changes it. You know what I mean? You're going to be trading in this area. Whoops. Yeah. Make sense of this. The way I pulled it made no sense. You'll be trading in this area instead if she comes up there and breaks into that. So it'll look something like that. And that'll be the area that you're trading in. That kind of range up there. Which could very well be. Now we start testing the highs, you guys already know. Altogether different. If we really come up and start testing the highs, then you know you could probably take advantage of that. All joking aside, it's super hard going so late into the day, especially on Friday, but I expect it to go sideways. Maybe within this area. Breaks down a little bit, like I said, the little area below. Probably just go sideways now. Wait and see. But that's my expectations, right? So take this off here because I'll leave that on there and not have no idea what I'm looking at Monday. We will save that there. So that's my thoughts, guys. In queue, obviously, you can try to scalp throughout the day if you feel. It's always easy to do that. I mean, you can see where we're trading. Just blow it out a little bit and see, you know. Here's where we're trading. No top wick here. You know, trend lines here. If you want to talk about where the trend line traders are. All right, they're trading this. That's what it looks like currently. Trend lines are running nicely for them. We sweep below it. What happens? You get the trend line liquidity, and then she comes back up. Just the ABCs of it. Just watch what traders are doing. Not too awful hard to understand it. Run down. Well, I should have left that on there, and then I'll show you. Run down to the 5. It makes sense. See, that's where they're trading it at, right? On this 5 minute. So you should be able to scalp some in queue back and forth if you want. Use the 800 chart as long as she continues to move like this and has, you know, volume and is going, then you should be able to do pretty well with that. I probably won't be putting in time to do all that. There's no algo today, so I probably won't trade anything, I'll be honest with you. Unless gold starts getting up into this area or breaks out of this range, which I don't anticipate today either, guys. I mean, it could happen. It is Friday. Anything could happen, but I would assume we get more sideways action than anything. Anybody got any questions, guys, at all?
Nope, all good. I'm just watching all those levels for the INQ and gold.
Yeah.
Like you said, so it's a waiting game now, and I will be here for the algo because I know traditionally on a Friday night it doesn't do a lot, but the last couple of Friday nights have been quite successful, so I'll still be here for the algo. So hopefully the usual heads will be here. I expect the normal queue.
Yep. Very nice, very nice. If anybody's on YouTube, I guess Rumble's not working right now, but anybody on YouTube, the Discord link is in the chat right now, guys. It's free Discord. If you haven't joined the Discord yet, you know, join. Like Paul said, he's going to be there, so make sure to come over there. We do more on Discord than we do anywhere else. So Make sure to join there, guys. Be part. Have a great weekend, guys. I appreciate all of you showing up. I will be back bright and early Monday morning. And as always, guys, stay consistent out there.
Cheers, man. Have a good weekend.
Let's begin. Y'all move pieces random, I calculate precise. While you chase quick profits, I'm strategizing twice. 10 steps ahead, your basic moves I can predict. This ain't no simple game, my method's scientific. Rapid calculations, market oscillations. You stuck on one move plans, I'm seeing combinations. Bank account elevation through smart navigation. While y'all keep hesitating, I'm accumulating. Check your mate, don't hate, this ain't debate. You moved too late, I already sealed your fate. My mind's a supercomputer processing gains, while y'all still confused by simple price change. Learn, trade, win, that's the mission. Learn, trade, win, competition. Learn, trade, win, stay committed. Learn, trade, win, get it. Pawns advanced strategic, every move methodic. While y'all play checkers, I'm out here encyclopedic. Quick with the statistics, flowing algorithmic. Brain automatic, profit systematic. Fuck what you heard about fast cash and luck. I studied patterns till my vision got stuck. Now every chart I see reveals the truth. Market manipulation can't shake my groove. Queen takes bishop but controls the field. Knowledge is power, that's my strongest shield. Call me grandmaster of this trading floor, while y'all still learning what the game is for. Patience in motion, strategic devotion. Watch and learn, feel the burn. Learn, trade, win. Accelerate the pace, leave no trace. Your simple strategies I'll straight replace with complex calculations, market domination, pure dedication, no hesitation. Been in the lab while y'all been sleeping, studied the craft while y'all been creeping. Now watch me demonstrate perpetual check while your account balance hits the deck. Learn, trade, win, that's the mission. Learn, trade, win, competition. Learn, trade, win, stay committed. Learn, trade, win, that's the system. Checkmate, game over. Level up, game over. Learn, trade. Started from the bottom with a phone in my hand. Everybody laughed when I said I had a plan. Small account vibes, but my mindset was grand. Now them same folks wanna know where I stand. Been up since 5, studying every line. While they waste time, I'm reading every sign. First few trades hit me like a brick wall, but I ain't give up, now I learn from every fall. You're wasting time, that's what my daddy said. Get a real job, man, that messed with my head. But I kept pushing, kept my focus tight. Now my account growing, future looking bright. Ay. Learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. My time. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn. Learn, baby. Watch me turn these charts into what I earn. Learn, trade, win, that's the only way. Learn, trade, win, getting better every day. Red candles had me doubting everything. Green days came slow like a broken wing. But I studied hard, yeah, I paid my dues. Now I'm teaching others how to read the clues. Remember crying when I blew my first stack, but that loss taught me how to bounce back. Now I'm in my zone, reading every trend, making moves that got my whole crew fed. You thought I was crazy, glued to these screens. Now look who's winning, living out these dreams. This ain't luck, baby, this is pure skill. Years of grinding up this market hill. They said I couldn't make weekend. Said I should quit trading. Now look who's calculating while they stay hating. Hey. Learn, trade, win. That's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn. Watch me turn these charts into what I earn. Learn, trade, win. That's the only way. Learn, trade, win. I'm getting better every day. Learn, trade, win. That's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. Watch and learn. I stay quiet while they loud. Keep it cool in the crowd. Watching charts day and night. Taking notes, got my lane. They wonder how I made it, but I know what it takes. Keep studying the patterns while everybody breaks. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent moves make loud money. Lost it all back in May. Learned my rules, found my way. No emotions when I trade. Calculate every play, check the trends, read the signs, take my time. They wonder how I made it, but I know what it takes. Keep studying the patterns while everybody breaks. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent moves make loud money. Loud money. Loud money. Style money. Style money. Started from zero, now I'm up. Studied the game, built it up. Losses taught me what I know. Now I move smart, watch it grow in my zone. Charts on screen, everything moving clean. No distractions, clear mind. Perfect timing, by design. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent money. Yeah. Watch and learn. Silent moves, that's how we do it.
Yeah. You fuck that weak shit. I stay focused while they all quit. Let's go. All day I grind, screen in my face. Numbers align, set my own pace. Fuck what they say, I got my way. Most walk away, but I'm gon' stay. Quick with the clicks, mindful of tricks. Ain't no look shit, pure analytics. Watch how I move, call it precise. Ready to prove, bid it their price. Weighted strike, do it right. Learn the game, stack the game. Patient hunt, front to front. This my time, watch me climb. Fuck all the noise, clear out my head. Make the right choice, stack up this bread. Quick on the draw, but timing is key. Study the law of supply, yeah. D, charts tell the truth, data don't lie, here's the proof. Watch profits fly, discipline tight, mind in the zone, do this shit right, I'm on thrive.
Down, take a breath, every L just shows the test. Build it up, break it down, analyze without the stress. Then
Back in attack, flow like a pro, stay on the track, watch numbers grow, cut through the shit, trust what I know, win bit by bit, put on a show, every move planned, nothing by chance, take my stance, seize my advance, quick with the wits, sharp as a blade, making hits, getting paid, bring, charts on my screen, mind in the zone, studying patterns while I'm all alone. Fuck all the bullshit, this ain't no game. When I hit that trade, watch the profit rain. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Quick with the clicks, analysis tight. Market's moving, but I time it right. See that signal, I don't hesitate. Years of losses taught me how to navigate. Finger on the trigger, heart beating fast. Each trade I take, built from lessons past. Fucking with precision, watch how I flow. Red to green, baby, that's how we go. Charts telling stories, I read them clear. While amateurs panic, I persevere. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Community strong, we share what we know. Each trade we take helps the other one grow. Fuck the FOMO, we stay calculated. Patient assassins, highly rated. Break down resistance, support won't bend. Technical masteries where we transcend. Keep it controlled, no emotional trades. That's how the real fucking money gets made. Discord buzzing, knowledge flowing free. Real-time updates from LTW family. Chart patterns forming, we spot them quick. Experience taught us which ones to pick.
slow it down, let me tell you something clear. Every loss I took brought me right here. Built my strategy through blood and tears. Now I execute without any fears.
Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Time to accelerate, watch how I close. Each trade I take, building verbose. Rapid execution, precision sharp. Like a fucking sniper in the dark. No hesitation when I see the sign. Years of practice got my skills refined. Community, backing every move I make. That's why this shit isn't carts till they knew my name.
This ain't luck, this is pure damn skill. Watch how we fucking climb up this hill. Learn, trade, motherfucking win. That's the mindset that we're always in. Discord army, we don't ever quit. Making history with every hit.